Good morning from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord, Michigan. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for Sunday, April 20th, 2014. As we take a look at the hazardous weather highlights, we do have a chance for freezing rain, mainly along the St. Mary's River system in the Upper Peninsula this morning. In fact, by the time you hear this, it may even be done, as temperatures may have warmed up above freezing by then. And so scattered slippery sections are possible early this morning, but otherwise for the rest of the day it should be rather just wet, as we have rain coming through the region for today and on Monday. Of course, this also could lead to the possibility of river rises over the next week, and the impacts of that would be some minor flooding, but it's too early to tell what areas could be affected by that. Other than when we look at the precipitation through Tuesday, we do have that area of rain that's expected to approach an inch over the next 24 hours. That could bring up some of the rivers, but otherwise we're not expecting to see a whole lot of flooding like we did last week. Otherwise, our temperatures today are going to approach 60. Some of our areas that haven't seen 60 yet for the last 180 days or so could actually end up breaking it and be into a more spring-like pattern. Of course, if the rain sticks around long enough or gets into some of these other areas, especially up by the bridge in the Upper Peninsula, it looks like they're not going to get much into the 50s with with the rain around. This concludes this morning's hazardous weather briefing. Thanks for listening in. Our next one will be scheduled for tomorrow morning. If you have any other questions, you can always check us out on the internet at weather.gov/Gaylord or ask us questions on Facebook or Twitter. Thanks and have a great day.